Hello, Mike Mackler, Athletic Director here at GCIT. With me now is the male athlete of the week, Michael Cruz. Michael, congratulations.
Thank you.
Michael is a member of the boys swim team here at GCIT. Michael, what grade are you in?
I am in 10th grade.
And what is your program?
I go computer science.
And what town are you from?
I'm from West Effort.
West Effort. So we're, about 3 weeks, I guess, into the season now, Michael. We've got two nice victories under our belt so far. So let me ask you, how are things going as you see with the team and as for yourself?
The team's doing pretty good. There's lots of high spirits going on. Everyone's getting rowdied up. We're all ready to go, cheering for each other. Racing's doing pretty good. We're all getting first places and stuff like that, breaking times, working together, doing the relays. And it's just, we're all doing really well this season so far.
Well, that's good. So now how long have you been swimming for, Michael?
I've been swimming for 11 years.
11 years. So I'm guessing maybe your swim club, or you just got into or GPAC or something like that. How'd you get into it?
I've been swimming for a team that used to be TWAC. That used to be at Riverwinds near West Effort.
Okay.
And I used to take swim lessons there, and then ever since I touched the water, I was like, oh, this is my sport. So ever since then, I've been doing summer swim teams like Greenfields, TWAC, but currently I swim for GPAC and Beechwood too. Okay.
So now, swimming is a very unique sport, and especially if, like yourself, you're in a club, it's a lot of dedication, it's a lot of time that you put into. What are some of the strokes that maybe you specialize in, or you have maybe better success?
I specialize in freestyle because I've always been familiar with the freestyle stroke. I've always got it down and stuff like that. And I like freestyle a lot because it has a lot to do with the longer distance swims, like the 1650, which is 66 laps, the 500, 20 laps, and all the distance stuff is freestyle. So I like freestyle so I could do the long distance events. Okay, all right, sounds good.
The boys swim team has done very well here the past 5. You haven't lost a dual meet in 5 years. So, again, we lost some good swimmers last year, but we still have a lot of good swimmers this year.
Yeah, and more to come too.
Yeah, no doubt. And so, I guess, winning that conference title and those things, there's still some of the strong goals that you have?
Yeah, winning these things is important to not just me, but the entire team too, because we all want to be the best, and we always help each other try to get that goal so we can all be the best together.
Besides the team goals, what are some of the, what's an individual goal that you might have, or goals that you might have for this season?
For my season, probably mostly improvement. Times is the thing I want to work on. Mostly times for long distance events like the 500 freestyle, where I want to try to break under 5 minutes in the 500 freestyle. I want to get under that 5 minute mark so I can really show everyone else that I can do 5 minutes.
Okay. All right.
So it's pretty hard, but it's going to take a while to get to.
That's a tough race. That's a long race to go. But no, that's really good goal. So, and again, listen, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
And your goals and for the team. What's one of the best things about the GCIT swim team?
Probably everybody cheering you on when you swim, because no matter what race you're swimming, there's always going to be the entire team on the other side of the pool cheering you on every time. Like when you swim breaststroke and you pick your head up, you can see everybody on the other side cheering you on, giving you support, so then when you push off that wall, you can really go at it, so then the other team will get left behind and you can win it for the entire team.
Great. What's one of the best things about going to school here at GCIT?
Probably the programs, in my opinion. I feel like that the teachers, for the programs I go to, since I do computer science, the teachers really get to really make sure that you do what you want to do and how to do it correctly. They always make sure that you will let's just say they really help you learn better. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it's hard to explain, but it's very, very good of how well they teach you in ways that you want to be learned.
Okay, well, great. Well, once again, congratulations and best of luck to you and the team this season.
Thank you.
Our male athlete of the week, Michael Cruz. Mr. Mackler here, continuing our Athlete of the Week segment. We're now with the female Athlete of the Week, Annabelle Carter. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Annabelle is a member of the girls bowling team. Annabelle, what grade are you in?
I'm a freshman.
And what's your program?
Cosmetology.
What town are you from?
Williamstown.
Williamstown. So, wow. What a start here, Annabelle, for you and for the team. The first, I guess we're 2.5 weeks into the season, picked up some big wins, and as this taping yesterday, you guys won the Holiday Bowl. Really exciting for you and the team, huh? That had been, that's a big time tournament with a lot of teams. How did it go?
It was good. It came down to the last game because Eastern, which was right next to us, they started to catch up, and then we started to come through towards the end of the last game.
Okay, well, that's great. It must have been a great atmosphere and everything. I know we were just talking, everyone gets dressed up and things like that, so it had to be really cool. So, Annabelle, how long have you been bowling for?
Like 3 years from now.
3 years. So, how'd you get into it?
My whole family, like on my dad's side and some on my mom's side, they all bowl. So I grew up in the bowling alley.
Okay. And so you just kind of went along. Did you start taking lessons, or maybe your parents were teaching you? Or?
So I went along, like I saw my dad and all of his friends bowl, and I kind of like taught myself off that. And then like towards like the summer, I started to get coaching lessons.
Okay. All right, that's really good. So, and Annabelle, not only has the team done well so far, you have really made an impact. Broke a school record the first day you're out for a high game, and then you beat it the next week. So, really, are you kind of surprised right off the bat a little bit? Yeah. Well, I guess a lot of your hard work and the practice that's going into that. So, we're early into the season. We're a little bit of a break now, but when we come back, it really steps up. We have a couple big tournaments. We have the Tri-County Conference Tournament, the NJ, which is NJTAC, which is the VOTEC tournament, and obviously try to make something at states. What do you have any personal goals, and what are your goals you want to see the team do? I
just want to shoot higher games than more low, like break average.
Okay.
But for the team, I just want to see everyone do good and succeed with their goals, like high games and all that.
Okay, well, these are really good goals to have. So, what's one of the best things about bowling here at GCIT?
The atmosphere, like all the people you're surrounded by when you're bowling, the coaches.
Okay. What's one of the best things about going to school here?
Going to school here, I like all the teachers that I have, and the people that are in my classes. They're all nice and supportive.
Okay. Well, listen, best of luck to you and to the team the rest of the season, and congratulations on being Athlete of the Week.
Thank you.
Our female Athlete of the Week, Annabelle Carter.